Second example, find acute angle between the lines y equal to 2x plus 7 and y equal to 3x plus 4. Same type example, one more. Slope of the line y equal to 2x plus 7, m1 is 2, is m1 equal to 2. Slope of the line y equal to 3x plus 4 is m2 equal to 3. Y equal to mx plus c, m is 2. Y equal to mx plus c, m is 3. Angle between the lines, alpha equal to tan inverse of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 m1. Write the formula correctly. Alpha equal to tan inverse of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1. Answer is 1 by 1 plus 6. Tan inverse of 1 by 7. Angle is tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now, continue. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are the equations of the line, then angle between the lines is obtained by substituting m1 equal to minus a1 by b1. See, actually slope of the line what? Not m1, it is minus a1 by b1. If it is given in this form, you can obtain the slope directly. But the equation is given in this form. You have to find the slope first. Then you have to find the angle. Minus a1 by b1. m2 equal to minus a2 by b2. What you get? Alpha equal to tan inverse of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 m1. Tan inverse of m2 minus a2 by b2 minus m1 minus a1 by b1 divided by 1 plus minus a2 by b2 minus a1 by b1. Wherever you have m1, write minus a1 by b1, because slope of the line is actually minus a1 by b1. Simplify. Equal to tan inverse of minus a2 by b2 plus a1 by b1 by 1 plus a2 a1 by b2 b1. or it is tan inverse of a1 by b1 because it is plus a2 by b2 1 plus, this can also be written as a1 a2 by b1 b2. Since it is plus, it is written in the first place. Minus, next, a1 a2 or b1, a1 a2 or a2 a1, one and the same. Now take the LCM. Take LCM and simplify what you get. You get one more formula. One more formula. See, alpha equal to tan inverse of common denominator b1 b2 a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by, again common denominator b1 b2 b2 plus a1 a2. Taking LCM, cross multiply a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Here also denominator 1 is there, b1 b2 into 1, 1 into a1 a2. Cancel the common denominator. You get alpha equal to tan inverse of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by, let me write this one first so that you can remember it clearly, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 over, this is another formula to find alpha. See? Another formula to find alpha itself. Previous one, after knowing the slope, you can use any one of the formula, no doubt. But here straight away you can substitute the values given in the equation directly. Shall I take one problem? Right, example. Find acute angle between 5x plus 4y plus 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 over. Equation of the straight line is ready. M is not given. You need not find M also. You can straight away take A1, B1, A2, B2, everything in the equation. So let me write A1, B1 first. In the first equation, A1 is 5, B1 is 4, C1 is 3. Second equation, A2 is 3, B2 is 2 and C2 is 1. Angle alpha equal to tan inverse of A1 B2 minus A2 B1 by A1 A2 plus B1 B2. This is the easiest formula. Write all the values equal to tan inverse of A1 B2 minus A2 B1 divided by A1 A2 plus B1 B2 over. Simplify, get the answer. Tan inverse of 10 minus 12 by 15, 8. Tan inverse of minus 2 by 23 but it is always acute angle, positive, so you need not write negative sign at all. Tan inverse of 2 by 23. See, there are two formula. If you know M1 and M2, you can use that formula. Just if you know A, B, C, you can use this formula. Right? Let me take one more. Using the coefficient. Find acute angle between the lines 7x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Write the acute angle between the lines. Equations of the line are 7x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, 3x plus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Write A1, B1 like this. A1, 7, B1, 2. C1 actually not required, but you write that one. In the formula there is no C1 or C2. A2, second equation, 3. B2, 4. C2, 1. Angle alpha between the lines A1, B2 minus A2, B1 by A1, A2 plus B1, B2. Answer is tan inverse of A1, B2 minus A1, B2 minus A2, B1 by A1, A2 plus B1, B2. Or it is tan inverse of 28 minus 6 by 21 plus 8 equal to, answer is modulus not necessary, 22 by 29. 22 by 29. I think now you got the idea clear. Angle between the lines. Yes, next problem is find the equation of the line passing through 2, 3 and parallel to the line. Parallel to the line 7x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 3. You have to find the equation of the line passing through this point. Not only that, it should be parallel to this. Another line is given, see. 5y plus 1 equals 0 given. Find the equation of that line passing through this and parallel to the given line. How to find that? Given line is here, parallel to the required line. Required line passes through 2, 3. Now, if you know the slope of this line, we can write the equation. Slope point formula. Just by knowing the slope of this line, you can write the equation. But how to find the slope of that line? It is given, see, parallel. So first find the slope of the given line. Write the slope to the required line also, because they are parallel. Slopes are equal. Right? So, given equation of the line 7x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. Slope of the given line m1 equal to minus a by b minus 7 by 5. Since given line is parallel to the required line, the slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. m1 equal to m2 for parallel lines. Right? Given line, slope of the given line. Since given line is parallel to the required line, slopes are equal. Therefore, slope of the required line is. Write once again same thing. Therefore, slope of the required line is m equal to minus 7 by 5 itself. So, slope is obtained. Same slope. Point already given. Write the equation. Equation of the required line. Required equation of the line. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M is minus 7 by 5. X1 is passing through the point. Where is it? 2, 3. 2. Y1, 3. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Or y minus 3 into 5 minus 7 into x minus 2. y minus 15 equal to minus 7x plus 14. Or 7x 5y minus 15 minus 14 equal to 0. Equation of the required line is this. Equation of the required line 7x plus 5y minus 29 equal to 0. Why I have taken this example in the middle? Just to see here. Equation of the line given 7x plus 5y. Now, any number of lines you draw here, parallel lines, then the equation of all these lines start with the same term. See, 7x 5y, 7x plus 5y. If we want the equation of this one, again 7x plus 5 common. Equation of all the parallel line starts with the 7x plus 5y only. They differ by the constant, that's all. Clear, no? So, let me write one more formula here then. That is why I have taken this particular example in order to write the formula. So, formula number is, which one? Fifth one, no? Yes, 5. Formula number 5. If ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the equation of the given line, then equation of any line parallel to this is of the form x and y terms same. See, ax itself, by itself, only it changes in the constant. Let me call it as k. Equation of any number of parallel line, x and y terms are same. They differ only by the constant. And k is obtained by substituting x and y coordinate of the point on the line. What is this method? Actually, very simple method. Instead of doing that particular lengthy method, you can straight away obtain the equation. Let me write the same example. Find equation of the line. Same example I am writing in order to get the answer. Equation of the line passing through 2, 3. Correct, no? Previous example 2, 3. And parallel to the line, 7x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0, I think. Anyway, constant I have forgotten. Find the equation of the line passing through this and parallel to the given line. You need not to do like that lengthy method. Easiest method is required equation of the line. Required equation of the parallel line is, write the same x term, write the same y term, only they differ by the constant, that's all. Given line and the required line differ only by the constant. Next, to find k, put x equal to 2, y equal to 3 in the equation. What do you get? 7 into 2 plus 5 into 3 plus k equal to 0, or 14 plus 15 plus k equal to 0, or k equal to minus 29. Let me write here. Therefore, required equation is x term same, y term same, constant now it is minus 29. Same answer you are getting. Whenever it is parallel, don't bother about x and y term, write as it is. Let me give another example. This one is the same repetition. No? Let me take one more. Right. Find the equation of the line passing through. Find the equation of the line passing through 7, 5 and parallel to line 2x plus 3y plus 11 equal to 0. Okay. Now the method is second one. Easiest method you are doing. Required equation of the parallel line is write the x term same, y term same. This one is not known. Whenever it is parallel, write straight away. Since it passes through which point? 7, 5, put x equal to 7, y equal to 5 to find k. In star to find k. Two into 7, 3 into 5 plus k equal to 0. 14 plus same value we are getting. 29 plus k equal to 0. K equal to minus 29. Now write the answer. Therefore, required equation of the parallel line is once again x term same 2x 3y minus 29 equal to 0. Minus 29 equal to 0.